Hello, my thirsty friends. Today, we're going to be exploring southern Germany by motorcycle, doing some twisties, visiting a vineyard, and hitting over 100 miles an hour on the Autobahn. This channel provides education and insights to great food, beverages, and travel, and Eat Drink Fun creates custom adventures that combine these three elements. In the next few minutes, we'll see why Germany is one of my favorite places to ride, excellent roads, very safe, beautiful scenery, and unrestricted speed zones. Long live liberty, right, Riesling? I look forward to chatting with you in the comments, and please remember to eat well, drink better, and always have fun. Right, Reese? Prost.
We'll stay together under forever. We'll stay together. I can hear your voice. I can hear you through the silence. Through the silence. Through the silence.
Everybody say. Everybody say.
I can feel the energy flowing, it's running through me, exploding, and when the party gets going, I feel it in my veins. Rocket ship going again like it, my heart is beating. If I think I get a taste of this magic, I'm like a tidal wave. I'm like a tidal wave.
Everybody say.
Everybody say.